the breaking update coming in as far as developments with the front of the government formation in Maharashtra is concerned. The BJP core committee meeting that is being held, and Devendra Fadnavis has been ratified as the legislative party leader in this BJP core committee meeting that has been taking place. Of course, when it comes to the individuals who have been participating in the meeting, who would be the CM's face, who would be the one that will be part of the new Maharashtra cabinet. Of course, we have seen a range of meetings that have been taking place since the 23rd of November, when this historic mandate that came in the favor of the Mahayuti Sarkar. So we talk about, as far as at the Vidhan Bhavan, the pictures that have been coming in of Devendra Fadnavis and other leaders as well, including Vinod Tavre as well. We are looking at the images as far as Devendra Fadnavis, who has now been ratified as the leader in the BJP core committee meeting. Arunil getting us those updates. Arunil, we're staying with those pictures that are coming in right now. If you can get us the update that is now coming in, as far as now we will get somewhat clarity as to what's happening in Maharashtra now.
Well, that is right, Amita. At present, I'm reporting from outside the Maharashtra Vidhan Bhavan, and now we are getting to know that Devendra Fadnavis's name as the group leader, legislative party leader of the BJP has been ratified. Now, basically, it clears decks for Devendra Fadnavis as well to become the chief minister of Maharashtra, because the BJP has claimed the crucial as well as the top post in the Maharashtra cabinet, that is the CM's post, and the group leader generally is becomes the CM from that particular party as well. His name will be has been proposed by the other senior leaders for further ratification as well. And once that happens, Devendra Fadnavis and the other two deputy CMs, one is Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, who obviously are not present over here. This is a BJP core committee meeting led by the two observers who have landed in Mumbai. One is Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, other is former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. Under their aegis, Devendra Fadnavis's name as the legislative party leader, basically the group leader of Maharashtra BJP with respect to their MLAs is concerned, that has been ratified now. This is a process which has to be followed, and the further process will be with further ratification. He will be approved as the chief minister from the BJP unit of Maharashtra. Post that, Fadnavis will be going to Raj Bhavan, which is to meet the governor as well.
All right, अतुल भी हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि अतुल 24 घंटे का ही वक्त रह गया आजाद मैदान से जब तस्वीरें आनी शुरू हो जाएंगी और कौन लेगा मुख्यमंत्री की शपथ, उसके ऊपर अब थोड़ी देर में क्लैरिटी तो मिल ही जाएगी, क्योंकि आखिरकार अगर देवेंद्र फडणवीस का नाम सबसे आगे है, दैट मींस दैट द महायुति अलायंस विल टेक क्लेम टू फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट इन महाराष्ट्र.
जी देखिए, इस समय जो बैठक विधान भवन में चल रही है, नाम प्रस्तावित कर दिया गया है. पार्टी के दो सीनियर नेता चंद्रकांत दादा पाटिल और सुधीर मुनगंटीवार की तरफ से जो बैठक विधायकों की हो रही है, उसमें नाम प्रस्तावित कर दिया गया है. और अब जो एक फॉर्मेलिटी है, हर एक विधायक से उनकी जो राय होती है प्रस्ताव को लेकर, उस पर उनकी राय ली जाएगी. और उसके बाद दोनों जो पर्यवेक्षक हैं केंद्रीय आए हुए हैं, निर्मला सीतारमण और रूपानी, ये सारी चीजों को मॉनिटर करेंगे और जो फैसला होगा वो जो है आला कमान को बताएंगे. और देवेंद्र फडणवीस अब नए मुख्यमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र का. अब इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं रह गई है, क्योंकि बीजेपी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है और उसका जो नेता जो है बनता, वही महाराष्ट्र का मुख्यमंत्री बनेगा. जो बाकी के दोनों सहयोगी हैं उन लोगों के बयान के मुताबिक, और चूंकि अब देवेंद्र फडणवीस का नाम प्रस्तावित हो चुका है, तो इसमें अब कोई दो राय नहीं रह गई है कि अगला मुख्यमंत्री कौन होने वाला है. देवेंद्र फडणवीस ही मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, ये फिलहाल के लिए तय हो चुका है. और यहां पर उनका नाम फाइनल होने के बाद यहां से सभी, खास तौर पर देवेंद्र फडणवीस यहां से निकलने के बाद एकनाथ शिंदे और अजीत पवार से भी मुलाकात करेंगे, जो सोर्सेज हमारे हैं बता रहे हैं. और उसके बाद ये तीनों के तीनों नेता राजभवन जाएंगे. करीबन 4 से 5 बजे शाम को बताया जा रहा है कि ये तीनों नेता राजभवन जाएंगे. और एक प्रोसेस जो होती है प्रोटोकॉल के तहत, सरकार बनाने का जो प्रस्ताव होता है, उनके पास जो जितने भी एमएलएज हैं की पूरी लिस्ट दी जाएगी राज्यपाल को, और उसके बाद उनके ही जो है द्वारा एक लेटर दिया जाएगा कि आप 5 तारीख को शाम 5 बजे शपथ ले सकते हैं। तो एक जो पूरी की पूरी एक प्रोसेस है कानून के तहत, नियम के तहत, वो पूरी होगी। लेकिन अभी जो सबसे बड़ी खबर थी और जिसके लिए सब जो है महाराष्ट्र नहीं पूरा देश इंतजार कर रहा था कि बीजेपी विधायक दल की जब बैठक होगी तो नेता कौन होगा, अब इस पर मोहर लग चुकी है कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस विधायक दल के बीजेपी के नेता हैं और वही महाराष्ट्र के अगले मुख्यमंत्री होने वाले हैं। अब कुछ चंद ही लम्हों का समय है जब बाहर जो है जो नेता हैं वो आने शुरू हो जाएंगे और उस चीज पर उनकी तरफ से भी कमेंट किया जाएगा। और देवेंद्र फडणवीस भी उम्मीद की जा रही है कि इसके ऊपर
you can tell us, because if you're saying that the process now begins for Fadnavis to become the CM of Maharashtra, do we call it official?
Well, there is still time for that, Amita, but yes, the process actually has begun. Atul was also making the same point, basically saying that the decks have been cleared. But Legislative Party leader Devendra Fadnavis has been ratified as, and the Legislative Party leader from the BJP, because BJP has taken claim for the CM post, Devendra Fadnavis is set to become the new CM of Maharashtra. The process has been initiated inside the Maharashtra Vidhan Bhavan. At present, I am reporting from outside the Maharashtra Vidhan Bhavan. The 132 MLAs of the BJP are inside, led by Nirmala Sitharaman and Vijay Rupani, as well the two observers that the BJP High Command from Delhi basically have sent in Maharashtra. Post this ratification of Devendra Fadnavis, he is expected to meet his two deputies as well, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, and the three leaders are likely to go to the governor's house, where the governor will be inviting them for the swearing in ceremony, which is scheduled to be held tomorrow at the iconic Azad Maidan.
All right. अतुल, अगर दोनों पार्टीज के बारे में बात की जाए, क्या दोनों पार्टीज अब सेम पक्ष में है, सेम पेज पे है? क्योंकि अगर नाम सामने सबसे आगे जो चल रहा है वो देवेंद्र फडणवीस का है, तो क्या कोई अगर बातें हैं अंदरूनी जिन्हें अब सुलझते हुए अब नजर आ रही है? क्योंकि शायद उनकी तरफ से भी सामने कोई रखी गई होंगे, चाहे वो पॉलिटिकल एम्बिशंस हो या डिजायर हो। आखिरकार अगर सरकार महायुति की तो बनने ही वाली है, लेकिन देवेंद्र फडणवीस अगर मुख्यमंत्री बनते हैं तो उनके हिस्से में क्या आएगा, उसके ऊपर भी क्या कोई क्लैरिटी मिल पाई है?
जी देखिए, जो सबसे बड़ी बात थी जिसको लेकर एकनाथ शिंदे की नाराजगी चल रही थी, खासतौर पर होम मिनिस्ट्री को लेकर, वो कल शाम को जब गिरीश महाजन मुलाकात करने के लिए गए थे एकनाथ शिंदे से वर्षा बंगले पर, और उसके बाद करीबन 25 मिनट तक देवेंद्र फडणवीस और एकनाथ शिंदे की भी मुलाकात हुई थी। तो इसमें यह चीज साफ हो गई थी कि डीसीएम बनने के लिए एकनाथ शिंदे तैयार है, और साथ ही होम मिनिस्ट्री को लेकर जो उनकी मांग थी वो फिलहाल पूरी नहीं होने वाली है। अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री उनको मिलेगी, ये बात तय है। साथ में यह भी कहा जा रहा है कि विधान परिषद जो महाराष्ट्र का है उसमें जो सभापति होते हैं, जो चेयरपर्सन होते हैं, वो पद भी शिंदे गुट को दिया जा सकता है। विधानसभा की जो स्पीकर होते हैं वो पद फिलहाल बीजेपी के पास रहेगा। रेवेन्यू जो मिनिस्ट्री है वो भी बीजेपी के पास रहेगी।
On the phone line, Mr. Sapra, the opposition there has been raising questions as far as you've been calling it as a delay in the formation of Maharashtra government. However, it seems that it's a matter of hours now, and Devendra Fadnavis seems to be the front runner to become the Maharashtra CM again.
See, still you are saying that Devendra Fadnavis seems to be the front runner. Our contention is कि बैंड बाजा बारात रेडी है लेकिन दूल्हा गायब है। ये दूल्हा कौन होगा, that the BJP has to spell out, and the kind of promises they have given to people of Maharashtra, they have to fulfill those promises also. The more they delay, the more the promises which they have done to the people will get delayed. As an opposition party, we are duty bound to raise questions, and we are duty bound to raise the issues which are of public concern.
All right. Mr. Sapra, thank you very much for joining in. So the Congress party on its end continues to raise questions, calling it as a delay. However, saying that till now, as far as the mandate that has been given by the people of Maharashtra has not been complied with, as the suspense still continues as to who will be the next Maharashtra ka Mukhyamantri. Well, Arunil, that's the point on part of the opposition. They have been saying that had it been them, then president's rule would have been imposed. Of course, we have seen the kind of attacks that have been coming in from the opposition side, because they too are waiting who will be the next CM of Maharashtra.
Well, certainly yes. The opposition basically has mounted an attack on the Mahayuti, basically saying despite having a landslide victory from the Mahayuti, they are not been able to reach a consensus. Why the swearing-in ceremony has not been held till now? But it seems like the wait is finally coming to an end, because Devendra Fadnavis is set to become the new CM of Maharashtra. He is the only chief minister in the last 3 decades to complete a full 5 term. That was from 2014 to 2019. Now, post that, also the NDA, basically BJP and a united Shiv Sena had got the mandate of the people of Maharashtra, but Uddhav Thackeray separated, joined hands with the Mahavikas Aghadi, and Devendra Fadnavis had to sit in the opposition. His party basically supported him. 2.5 years later, Eknath Shinde repelled. It was assumed that Devendra Fadnavis will again become the chief minister, but the CM throne went to Eknath Shinde. It was basically ratified from the Delhi BJP High Command as well. Now the Mahayuti basically has got a landslide victory. It is a historic victory for BJP Maharashtra as well, their best ever performance, and the main architect of this momentous victory or a stupendous victory is certainly Devendra Fadnavis, who is set to become the new chief minister of Maharashtra. Post this meeting inside Maharashtra Vidhan Bhavan, Devendra Fadnavis along with his 2 deputies, that is Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, will be going to the Raj Bhavan to meet the governor. The governor basically will be inviting the 3 leaders as well as the other ministers who will be sworn in at the iconic Azad Maidan tomorrow, where the swearing-in ceremony will be held. PM Modi will also be attending this historic swearing-in ceremony.
तस्वीरें आ रही